It's official. My energy said no more to the lives. But what we're doing instead, it's the same thing. They said that because there's a time difference for all my Patreon people, I will. I was gonna post the thing, but for the tools and the classes, we will be doing them as videos. So just like how we would do it on the live, we're going to do it for videos. So the people who are in Patreon, like hi Patreon people, I will tag you as well. We're going to do video responses. So cuz this so far this is working out and yeah, they're on board. So what you do is what on the live anyway, I have a video that's I think pinned on the top, I think. But anyway, what we were doing on the live is basically doing a class where we basically not a class but like a class and a reading at the same time, about different tools, and there's a menu. So if you're confused, you're probably in Discord, just message me and I'll send you the menu. But I did put the menu in the I think underneath announcements. But yeah, just message me on Discord or wherever you need to, and I will get the menu to you. And basically, you have to message me in one of the videos, a comment with the menu, and then I'll do a video response for you. And maybe some people might get little fun things like a cool background, maybe they won't. It's a first come first serve, and what where my energy is, and I will respond to those. So they have replaced that for now, and I hope that this will be fun. I think it will be fun because of the time difference, so everyone has an option to do this. And if you're confused about it, let me know in the comments about any clarification and I can clarify for you. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on the screen just in case. Right here.